Hello and welcome back to Journey Beyond. Today I will be previewing my latest haul from Crafter's Companion. So this is the makeup order for the UK warehouse clearance that I had talked about a few times in my previous videos that they had lost. So they have no record of it. They use a third-party courier to ship it to their main package carriers, which is Yodel. So it's kind of like a UPS, FedEx here, and they have no record of what happened to it. So someone got lucky. But anyways, you guys, so they gave me the "we're sorry," etc., etc. And so this is the receipt. So I had ordered 2 of the Spectrum Noir ink pad storage trays. I ordered the warehouse clearance mystery bag, the Christmas discovery bag. So now the items highlighted in red are the ones they could not duplicate. So that included the Spectrum Noir discovery bag and the mixed media discovery bag. I also got the Gemini foil Stampin' Cut collection with Superstar, Love You, Thank You, Happy Birthday. I also got the Spectrum Noir Harmony Quick Dry ink pads, the 13-piece. And then I got 2 boxes of the metallic markers. So I'm very happy that they did this to try to make up for me not being able to get my stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. And kind of curious to know if it's similar to any of the stuff you got. But I'll tell you what, my box was a hot mess when I got it. When I opened it up, it just looked like everything was just kind of thrown in there and shipped off because it came pretty quick. So I had emailed a gal there named Sophie, and this is on, I want to say June 24th, June 25th, because that's what my receipt says, and I got it a couple days ago. I got it really fast, within like 5 or 6 days. So first I wanted to show you the storage ink pad trays. So these come all apart. There's nothing that, I mean, I guess they are a little versatile because you can stack them side by side, or you can stack them on top of each other like this. But as you can see, they just come apart real easy, and they have little notches. So you can see these little things on the bottom here. And then they have 2 little slots right here. So I'm just putting them in the first slot. They don't stick together really well as far as like, they're not a tight fit, so they're kind of flimsy. A little disappointed, but that's okay. So I got 2 of these. I think these are on sale for $19.99. Something like that. They're pretty cheap. I know they're expensive right now. They're about $29.99. So you get 2 of these. So there's 6 trays for $19.99. Like I said, these were just thrown in the box when I got them. They were I pulled them out and I was a little surprised to see the disarray. But anyways, I also got the Gemini foil press Sentiments. I know I showed you guys an earlier version in my other video of ones I had got. So this one is Love You, and that one's really pretty. You can see here. This one is Star, Superstar. This one, it says Superstar, but the sentiment just says Star. This is Thank You, and this one is Happy Birthday. Let's see. I'm going to show you the mystery bags last. I'll just show you the other stuff that I got. The other 2. This is going to be a really quick video, you guys, or it won't be too long. So I got their metallic markers. I did order a few weeks ago. I ordered their metallic ink pots. And what drew me to this, and I really like about these, is you can write on glass with these. I think that's a phenomenal idea. And I just love the way metallic markers bring kind of like a shimmer. So I've never used their metallic markers. So what I do use though is I have a couple of these like Sharpie pens, and then I do use these. I have the silver and the gold and the copper, and I like these. I like to use these for little accents, or like if you're doing a galaxy, you can use these for star or linings of a cloud. Really cute. So I got 2 sets of that. I think I wanted the whole set, but they didn't have, they were out of stock on one of them. So this one is Antique Elements. And it has, let's see, antique pearl, vintage satin. Let me get there so you guys can see it. Tarnished silver, rose gold, aged copper, and ancient bronze. And this is their precious metals collection. And this one is gold plate, gold nugget, burnished copper, antique bronze, pewter, and silver ignat. So, now the quick dry pads I've been wanting forever. So I've kind of slowly built my collection up just because they're so expensive. When I first got into Crafter's Companion, I want to say around March-ish is when I first really discovered them. Because I have always, like I have the Brother Scan and Cut. I have like the newest one they just released. I have the Cricut. I have the Cricut Maker, and I have the Cricut Joy. So I had never used a Gemini or really looked at the like these type of die cut machines, but I saw it on HSN and it kind of piqued my curiosity. I had never actually used metal dies before. I had just used, like, you know, everything that you can do on the Cricut and the Scan and Cut. And I absolutely love the Scan and Cut because you can not only cut your images out, you can scan them and you can size them to what you want them to be. So that's like the great thing about that machine. But anyways, so I've been wanting these quick dry inks for a long time, and I saw them previewed a few times on HSN, and then when I started getting into Crafter's Companion, they were like, I think it was like 29 of them for $112, and I should have bought it back then, but I didn't. But I do like the idea of the quick dry ink, mainly because, like, there's been a few times that I've been stamping and I've smeared projects. So I'm just going to show you the color schemes I got in this. So most of them are kind of, they give you like one or two colors, and then the other colors I think I've showed you in the last few videos. I've just been like building up my stock. So and then just buying the ones that did not come with this one. So kind of trying to color coordinate them for you. So here we have, let's start with this one. So I have, this is Grasshopper. This is Smoked Emerald. Green Topaz. And Frosty Jade. And I know, like I've said this before, in one of the, I want to say it's a Color Me Happy, I think, Leanne talks about the differences between the ink, what they're mainly used for. And apparently the water reactive ink is the best ink for like blending, and the pigment ink is used for embossing, and this is mostly for stamping. We have Pale Fig, Crushed Velvet, Damson Wine, which is great because I don't have any of the purple colors, Noir Black, Anthracite. I think that's how you say that. Anthracite. It's an interesting word. And Misty Morning. Chinese Red. Bordeaux. And Orange. Now these ones I think I do have, unfortunately, but that's okay. I think I do have those ones. I actually have a little thing I'm going to show you at the end of the video, you guys, that I picked up in a thrift store, and I was so psyched. Okay, now on to the mystery bags. So the first mystery bag I'm going to show you is the warehouse clearance mystery bag. Make sure I have these right. Yeah, okay. So this is a mixture of different things. It does have some Christmas stuff in it, but I'm just curious to see if, like, you guys got some similar stuff or you get completely different stuff, because I kind of feel like they just threw this together because my order was lost, but you know, whatever, it's cool. Okay, so this is the Parisian Metal Charms. It was really cute. I really like this collection. I saw this collection, but she's sold out, and then like wherever I've looked for it, they have very small amounts of bits and pieces. See how it's kind of like all dirty? And this is Winter Wonderland Snow Season. This is an acrylic stamp set. I think this is from a couple of collections ago when she released that. This is Elegant Tree. And then this is Vine Edge. This is a really small stamp and die set. That's cute. It's something that I would see probably in one of their magazines. This is Sparkling Spruce. That's really cute. Then I got, let's see, this is a Sheena Douglas Festive Embossing Folder, and that is absolutely adorable. Look at the puppies on there. This is a Diamond Press Mini Stamp and Die. Lovely Day. Have a lovely day. Interesting. I'll get to that one last. I got a cut and emboss folder. Britannia. I don't know if that says Britannia. Not sure. It's a different shape. Another Desire. I have Feathered Friends. Now, I've been looking for her easel cards, and I can't find them anywhere. Even on eBay, man, they are expensive. They want like $24 for one. And she had one up like 3 weeks ago, and I wasn't fast enough, and they completely sold out. So I'm kind of bummed. I wanted to try them. This is Parisian Mirror. So I have a couple of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those or not. So this is a panel. This is an Art Deco panel that creates this lovely background right here. And that's a big die, so that's nice. I have a smaller version of this. Cute. And then finally, this is their dome card making kit. So I did see something similar to this on HSN. I don't know if this is the same one. It doesn't look like it, but I wanted to try it out. So I'm kind of glad I got this. It's really cute. I wanted to see. I've never made a dome card. So I think the one on HSN was like a Christmas dome card. And this one is, as you can see, it has like different designs. Very cute. So kind of psyched to try that. So that's the warehouse clearance mystery bag. And to be honest, I was expecting to get maybe a little bit more than this, but whatever, it's fine. And then the last thing I have to show you is the Christmas discovery bag. So let me just put this away. I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. We just stayed in. We have dogs, so we have a younger puppy. Well, she's about 1 year old, and she's never experienced fireworks yet, so we stayed home with them. We didn't really do much. But I hope you guys, whatever you did, you stayed safe and spent time with your family and had a great weekend. And let's see. So this is a Christmas discovery bag. I feel like I already have a few of these things. I know I have this one. So here we have the stamp and die. So this is like a on the edge type die. This is Santa, and I know I have this one already. So I'll be selling that. This one is a poinsettia. Very pretty. That's cute. I like how they give you examples of how you can cut it out. Or this. So I ordered a couple of the wrap dies, which are these like for your gatefold cards, and I'm really glad I got this one. It was cute because I had ordered a Christmas one and they had to refund me because they ran out. So really like that. This is a Dear Santa. So this would be like for your Gemini Mini or your Go. Dear Santa embossing folder, like a little Santa's list. This one is your festive wreath die. And oh my goodness, festive flowers. I have so many of these. I think I have 4 of them now. So festive flowers. I think they're having a hard time getting rid of those because they're like in every mystery bag I think I've gotten. I think I have this one too. This is Believe. And this is Festive Holly. So I don't have this one, so I was happy to get this one. I don't have this one. I have most of their Christmas ones, but I don't have this one, so I was happy to see that. Some really cute. I like how they do that. I did a couple of them, but I had like I think it's the butterfly ones I tried. Oh my goodness, excuse me, you guys. It's the afternoon, so I'm a little sleepy. This is Christmas foliage, and I know I already have this too. And then finally, I have Christmas by Candlelight, and I also have this. This is a 3D embossing folder. So that is my haul, or my makeup UK warehouse clearance that they sent me. So it's not bad, but like I said, I was disappointed because I wonder what was in the original one. I would have loved to see what I would have gotten, but that package got lost, so I don't expect to get that. If I did one day and it showed up, that would be fantastic, but I'm not counting on that. But what I did want to show you is I love to go thrift store shopping too. So the other day I went to Goodwill with my friend, and I saw this and I was like, whoa, and I actually just saw the logo. Alright, you guys, I got this Stampin' Up! Ink pad at Goodwill. I found it at Goodwill, and as soon as I saw the logo, I really would love to tilt it so you can see it, but it's really hard to see because it's so tall. So I can tilt it just a little, or maybe so you can see the angle, but you guys get the idea. Here, there we go. So these obviously stored the Stampin' Up! Ink pads, and I don't know if they fit the tonics, but they fit these beautifully, and I'm really glad I found this. I got it for $4.50 at Goodwill, and when I first saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that's freaking awesome. So as you can see, it turns, and then it has like these 4 compartments right here. Really excited I got this because I hadn't gotten my storage trays yet, and I actually have like a little, you know, like when you go to the store and you have like those little things you can turn and they have products in them. I actually have one of those too that I store like my glitter inks and my glue and stuff in. And I was storing my ink pads there until I found this. So I'm really glad I found this, and I'm glad. But again, you guys, thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to show you what I got for my makeup UK warehouse clearance sale and that great ink storage carousel that I found. But let me know if you guys got some of the similar things for those of you who did get your shipment from the clearance sale. Let me know if it's anything different. I'm sure it is. But all right, you guys, I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.